Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl again. If you're a new subscriber, my name is Jada, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back again. So guys, I made a poll on my community and I asked for the type of video you guys will all want and be expecting. So a cook with me video won it, and this video today I'm going to be cooking Nigerian jollof rice with fried chicken and salad. So guys, I'm just going to take you guys along since it's a cook with me video. So let's just start everything. I'm a bit lazy, but let's just say it's going to be, guys. So guys, I'm using some green peas, some carrots and green peppers, but I won't be using all because they're literally much. I'll be chopping some of them and be storing them in the red. I'll be using some of my carrots for the salad. So let's go cook with me, guys. Like, just cook with me. So guys, these are all the ingredients I'll be using for my jollof rice today. There's the rice, my bay leaves, some garlic. I don't like much garlic because I don't know. My curry powder, my chili. Yeah, I love it hot and spicy. Some green peas, my green bell pepper, carrot, onion, salt, mayonnaise, tomato puree, my cabbage, my thyme, my rosemary, the chicken, blended tomatoes, and oil. You not say hi. Hi. So guys, I'm eating right now and I'm almost done. If you like what you see my channel, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see my next video. Bye. Okay guys, I know I said bye, but this ice cream came and we had to do justice to it. Yeah, this was just us chilling out. The night was actually fun. Yeah, so bye. Yeah. I'm going to say bye here. Like bye. Thank you so much.